Hey, it's Brandon here at Russ Darrow Nissan of West Bend. Uh, Seems like we got a couple questions about financing, leasing, when to lease, when to turn in your lease. I can help you with that, so follow me. We'll teach you something. So, when to turn in your lease. So, if you're over mileage, definitely turn in your lease if you're over mileage, or if you're not really a big fan of the car. That's why leasing is so great because you're not stuck with the car. So, if depending on the term, 2 year, 3 year, or a 1 year, you could just be done with it, or just ground it and get a different car. But if you have equity in your lease, so you're under mileage, it might be a good idea to trade in to another lease, even lower payment, or finance it with a cheaper car. You even get a better deal with that. Maybe leasing doesn't make any more sense to you, drive too long, or far commute to work. Financing might be the best option for you. Don't have to worry about miles, and we get the best rates for you with the many different lenders out there. Or if you want to go new, we have great incentives there too. But if you have any more questions about financing or leasing, just let us know. We'll be able to help you out. Just come in or just call, schedule an appointment. We'll help you out. So see you next time and have a good night.